Hi, my name is Dr. Evelyn. I'm a Jawad teacher and also a tutor on the accredited Jawad belly dance training courses. In this video, I want to go over some of the more advanced steps for Saidi. There's a basic steps video also in this series, so if you're new to this dance, you might want to familiarize yourself with that first. So let's start by aligning ourselves, bringing our ankles, knees and hips all in line, lifting up, being nice and tall, creating lots of space in the midriff for dancing and allowing our tailbone to tuck under 30% or so while still keeping the knees nice and soft. So some of the basic Saidi steps are the horse steps and the jump steps, or also the forward and back lean. And other steps that you have to include because they go with the rhythm and they're also folkloric steps are steps such as the rig, which takes you walking sideways, and you've got the hagala. Now there are separate videos on these moves as well, so if you are not familiar with the basics of them, make sure you check those out first. Now it's all about how these go together and how you might modify them in order to make them work for your Saidi. You can create lots of variety just with your horse step, your jump step, and maybe a couple of camels taking you back to the front, a bit of a bounce, forwards and back lean, and then you've got the rig, the rig or Saidi side step that will take you to the side. And you've got your hagala, which can take you to the front, can take you to the back, or you can cross over and you can travel around any direction that you want to go. Whether you actually have the hagala rhythm going on both hips is really down to you, personal preference, and also the music that you use. Lovely little elements that will really make your Saidi come together are little snaps of the twists and lots of bounce obviously in the heels, just at the right times to kind of put it all together and give it that lovely bouncy folkloric feel. So let's try and have a little bit of a dance along to the music. We're going to start by having some rigs going sideways. It's optional to add the glute contraction on, either singles or double, to kind of grab the rhythm, the beat. And we're also going to have a forwards and a back lean. And then we're going to travel with the hagala around ourselves in a little circle. Once at the front again, we can go back into the same combination. We might also add the jump step. So the key thing about the Saidi is that nice rolling rhythm, keeping it nice and relaxed in all your body and kind of showing the rhythm, let it transfer into your chest as well and not just into your heels. Let's try it with a bit of music. We're going to start with the rig traveling sideways. 1, 2, 3, and back again. Forwards and back lean. We can travel with the hagala. Rig. And back. Forwards and back lean. Travel with the hagala. Last time, same combination. Forwards and back lean. Into the Hagala. Now let's use the horse step. We'll do this a bit funky, using the heel. And then we're going to use the jump step. So we're going to jump forwards and back. Camel to the front. Twist. And again. Jump step. Camel to the front. Twist. And maybe a shimmy. One more time. Jump step. Camel to the front. Twist. First combination. Forwards and backwards lean. Hagala. Horse step. Jump step. Camel to the front. Twist. There you go. So there you've got some more advanced steps to add onto your Saidi. Any combination will go, but do check out my other video as well as how to incorporate the cane. Happy dancing. I hope you enjoyed this video tutorial. If you would like to work on some more advanced technique, why not join me for my Advance Your Dance online course, which is all about in-depth learning and dance development. Check out IshtarDanceAcademy for more information. See you there.